So you decided that you want to make money with Booking affiliate program. You want to learn how it works, how much money you can actually generate, and also what kind of strategy you can do to earn money from Booking.com affiliate program. My name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you all of that. I love creating videos about affiliate, and I'm excited I'm going to show you also about Booking.com. Also guys, if you want to learn better strategies on how you can make money with affiliate, I made a free masterclass down below in the description. When you're gonna click on it, register with the email, you're gonna get the free masterclass. And also every month I'm going to send you like the strategies and also really great affiliate programs that you can join to actually use and make money with. So without further ado, let's start here and let's just jump into Booking.com affiliate program. So when you come here, why should I join the Booking.com affiliate program? You see huge potential earnings, you're on favorable commission, over 2 million properties, 1 million room nights daily, and you see there are like a lot of things you can promote, completely customizable, choose a destination, manage your earnings. So all of that can be like possible, and how it works is that you're just gonna get links for the things that you're gonna promote at Booking.com, that you're gonna register right here, that you're gonna add business information, and you're good to go. Now, what are some good strategies? What I like about Booking.com affiliate is that how much like kind of, let's say, a grip you have, because how many stays they have, how many hotels they have, you can easily start creating content around it. And I'm going to explain you why and how. So let's say that first thing what you can do is to join groups, and let's say in Las Vegas, or start writing a content. So best hotels in, and if you would go to Google and just write best hotels in Las Vegas, let's say, and yes, you got a Google here, you got a TripAdvisor, of course, travel and leisure, and but this is like heavily dominated. But what you can do is that, okay, Las Vegas, more information, and many of these sites gonna have like affiliates that you can join with. Now, when you come here to Booking.com, you can easily like right here, Booking.com, hotels, Plitvice. Okay, so Plitvice Lakes is national park in Croatia, really specified. And like in like, let's say when there's a summer, there are so many people coming there. And here I like Plitvice Jezera, and these are the top picks that you can have, right? And what you can do is that go to YouTube, Plitvice Lakes, best hotels, and you see 1 year ago 400 views, someone made a video on it, and they're just showing the pictures of it. And look at what they got here. Everywhere got a Booking.com. They got travel by 3 girls here, and look at this. They're just pasting the content, top recommended hotels in, and they're just listing everywhere where there are hotels, they're making videos on it. When we look on their popularity, you can make it much better and even easier than them. They got 150,000 views, 200 views, 200,000. So that makes about 400, 500 bucks a month. Just that. But these things, like, okay, in Mount Abu, in Mahabaleshwar, so they just got listed in the pictures and they're good to go. But you can easily just show it on a Booking.com and also read the reviews there, and voila, you got it. Nothing difficult. But you can also start like joining the Facebook groups where you would just link, let's say, a Plitvice or traveling for cheap, and people are going to search for stuff there, and then you just like recommend the hotel. That's like, but if you've never been in a hotel, it's different, of course, if you don't have experience. But again, this is also a really great way how we can make top hotels in, let's say, Egypt, right? Best hotel recommendations. And people are making this content, and you can join it too if you want to. You can even then also look at this, 260,000 views. Amazing. Why you should not visit Pattaya alone. So you're gonna find plenty of videos that you can actually make. And that's pretty much it, right? So this is what I would do definitely. Then you can also make a TikTok videos if you want. There's like possibility. Post it on Instagram, Pinterest. That's the good strategy. But my recommendation is going with the YouTube. Find something that you can get better than anyone else. So let's say offer something that no one else is doing. And for that you need to do the research. Like cheap hotels in, and you're going to recommend booking.com. Like those girls did. And I don't know whether they're revenue, but if actually people are clicking on it and booking those hotels, then they're going to make money with. And really good money, because it's going to accumulate. So they're going to snowball. The more you're going to create, the more money you're going to make. And that's really good. So that's pretty much it about the booking affiliate. I don't know what else to share with you. I mean, the blogging is the best thing because it's really simple. Because what you can do is to use, and you're going to have a link down below in the description, Copy AI, where you can recommend and also start writing blogs, and you just generate the content, paste some pictures, and voila, you got your own blog. And it's going to really help you to actually make money with. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. If you can have any questions or your own ideas how to like recommend booking.com, let me down below in the comments. We're really happy to hear your opinion on it. But blogging and with the YouTube videos, they are the best ones. So that's what I would do. And now you can easily have our resources here or templates. And you can easily create many stuff. So definitely check it out. It's a good one. And pricing. And yeah.